Peel the tomatoes first. Grill it on the fire like this. It's more convenient and quicker than soaking in hot water, and it's easier to peel. Look, it's very easy. Core the tomato will taste better. Cut the first tomato into small pieces for making sauce. The second one is cut into large pieces to enrich the taste. Reserve the scallions, and the rest into chopped scallions. Make a thin starch solution. This time I bought newly hatched eggs, and they're quite small. Wow, and a double yellow egg. Add a spoonful of salt. And fully mix them. All the ingredients: chopped scallions, scallion batons, cornstarch slurry, egg liquid, diced tomatoes, tomato pieces, light the fire, heat until the wok is smoking. Pour in the oil. Shake to coat the wok with oil. Pour in the egg liquid. Don't flip them too soon. Let them cook a bit longer until they're nicely browned. That's where the real flavor comes from. Flip it over. Cut into small pieces with a spatula. Fry until golden. Remove and set aside. Add cooking oil again. Add scallion batons. Remove the scallion batons when the aroma comes out. Pour in the diced tomatoes. Simmer over medium-low heat. A spoonful of salt. A small spoon of sugar. Sugar can neutralize the saltiness. The sugar won't taste sweet, but it can enhance the umami. Simmer until the sauce is thick. Add the tomato pieces. And add some salt to make the tomatoes fully flavored. Stir fry over medium heat for 2 minutes. The tomatoes become soft and juicy. Pour in the fried eggs. Stir fry evenly. Drizzle in the starch slurry to create a light sauce. To thicken the sauce, this way the scrambled eggs with tomatoes won't be watery. Sprinkle with scallions to enhance the flavor. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. When you don't know what to eat, it's your first choice. It's simple, quick, and delicious. It's a great rice puller. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. A good life starts with eating well. See you next time.